One of the things to consider about a project like this when we're planning a project, and it can be a learning experience for sure, you'll notice here that there's an oversized concrete pad. When the homeowner purchased this house, that concrete pad was already here, and it appeared that the previous owners had already started to plan for a larger garage build like this, but to the scale and size of the pad that's over here. And you can see that that goes pretty close to the back of the property. We still got a bit of material here we're cleaning up, but you can see that this goes further back, almost to the back of the property, and out and around. It would have been a fairly substantially sized workshop or garage. The other thing you're going to notice is this up here is a transformer for a hydro line. So there is a main service line that runs all the way through here, and in years previous you can look in the neighboring backyards and you'll see some shops and garages right against the property lines and then along this vertical trespass here. And in previous years they would have allowed that. However, the ESA, the Electrical Standards Authority, has updated their codes, and now there's a minimum required setback distance from the peak or the front face of anything that you're building to the actual lines and transformers. Obviously, safety codes are updated over time. They're going to need access to, maintain, repair, and also to avoid any sort of issue. And with that came the need to, unfortunately, meet those setback requirements and not be able to use the existing pad. So there's definitely a lot to consider when planning a project, and that's why it's so important to work with a company that is aware of these challenges and can help you navigate them and plan forward. Give us a shout if you're interested in learning more about your own project.